Welcome to the adventure today. Today we are trying to find an old parking lot. Don't really know how to describe it, except one day we were looking on Google Earth trying to figure out a trailhead. It's called the Peoria Flat Trail. Just trying to figure out where it kind of ended and if it could go down to the new Melones Dam. In the process, we found a parking lot that's just on top of this hill, and it looks like no one's been in it for a long time. The concrete's all cracked. Yeah, it's just a random parking lot that doesn't seem like it has use for anything. So we tried to drive up to it one day. That's the road that we're on, but this road is gated at the bottom. We parked way down there. I think it's about a mile hike to the trailhead. We're about halfway there right now, but look at the views behind me. Pretty nice. So I have a breathing strip on so I can actually breathe while I do this little walk. I'm not in the most fit shape, so it really helps out a lot. And if JJ can rock one, I guess I can too. Anyways, we're about halfway up to the parking lot. When we get there, we'll see what it really is. Some interesting stuff up here. Looks like a little water tower, and then a communications repeater, maybe? Weird. I think we're getting pretty close to the parking lot though. It's right over there. And Ashley sees an eagle floating around somewhere. Maybe an eagle. Oh yeah, there it is. I think he just dipped out of your guys' view. There he goes. See? Yeah, I don't think you guys are going to be able to see him with the wide angle on this GoPro. He's right there. So I think we made it. This is the parking lot I was trying to find. And it looks like a parking lot. It's really weird how it's gated at the bottom though. You'd think that this would be a parking lot that they use a lot. Got some displays over there. Looking this way. Show you guys the dam. The new Melones Dam. I also want to note really fast, there's a gated, well not gated, but a fenced off area right there. If you look on Google Earth, you could actually look straight into it and there's nothing in there. It's just kind of where that's gated off. And then there's one down there too. And then this is the new Melones Dam. Right there. Let's go get some other views of it. Here's another view of the dam. And there's this giant tower over here. Not really sure what that is, but we also saw that on Google Maps or Google Earth. And I don't think there's a way you can drive over to it. It looks a lot smaller on Google Earth though. Talking about this tower right there. It's pretty tall. Alright, let's go check out the stuff in this parking lot. So we got this giant drum. As I get closer, it'll get bigger. The wide angle really doesn't do it justice. This thing's pretty tall. Pretty tall. I mean, my hand for comparison. It's huge. And this plaque has a lot of information about it. Used to be a plaque here. I actually found this. It's all broken. I wonder why they decommissioned this. Check on the bathrooms. Are they actual bathrooms? Oh yeah, they were. Now we're going to the women's side. Oh yeah, empty. Some swallow nests. Huh. So while Ashley does some of our macro chromo project pictures, I'll announce that project at some point, I'm sure. I'm gonna fly the drone up and just capture this parking lot from above. I'm not gonna be able to fly it super high because the airport, I don't know where the airport's at. There's a decommissioned airstrip down this valley though. And I don't know, I'm just not gonna fly it too high up. Just a little bit. Yeah, just a tiny bit. This is the actual Overlook, I suppose. This is really interesting. Some fancy benches. Yeah? You said there was a 1995?
1999.
Or 1999, actually? Where?
It's up here somewhere.
Oh.
Right here.
Oh, yeah.
1999.
Right above the shadow right there.
Oh, 2014.
Oh, so
I didn't notice that one either.
2014? I wonder if this is just people walking up like we just did, though.
Yeah, I don't know.
There's also a drinking fountain with no faucet or fountain. Ah, there's that road that I wanted to go down.
Everywhere.
What's down here? A bunch of trees and whatnot. can see through the trees the road. I think you get to that from the other side of the dam. This probably used to be something really informative, and now it's not. What is that? So there's a survey or a geological survey marker right on that little piece of concrete. And I want to go look at it, but the sign said to stay within the fence, so we're not going to do that. We're going to be well behaved. All right, back up to the parking lot.
Yep.
All right, so as we're leaving this place, a couple things. One, that fenced off area that I pointed to on the way in, when I had the drone up in the air, it actually looks like it's a big sinkhole or maybe the top of a mine. I'm just guessing that's what it could be. I'm not really positive, but that would make sense why it's gated in so, or fenced off so well. There are no danger signs for it though, so I don't know. Other things. What else did we talk about? Oh, mountain lions. There's a giant mountain lion poop. Well, there's a couple, so there's probably a big cat roaming around this area too. Anything else? There's about a mile to come in, 0.92 miles or something like that from the gate. And yeah, definitely worth it. This is a cool little spot. It doesn't really overlook the dam, as you can tell. I think we're like just below it, or maybe level with it. But it overlooks the powerhouse, or the power plant, and then the river as it flows down into the other parts of Table Mountain. So we're gonna head back to the car. If you like this, be sure to subscribe, check out the other videos, you know, leave us a thumbs up, whatever you want to do. We try to do stuff like this all the time, so it makes us feel good when you hit that thumbs up button. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch us next time.